All right, the customer was complaining that this machine was staying too warm. We came in and it wasn't 14 degrees. It's warm now too, but that's just because they just had it open. So we came in here and we looked at the condenser. The condenser was very, very clean. Very clean. Nothing to touch. Our suction line was all cold and frozen up. Everything was running. Our fan motors were running. Defrost clock was right. Everything was great. But what we saw was that there was a big gap in the gasket right here at the top. From about a quarter of the way down, all the way to the top, and then across here there was a big gap between the gasket and the door. That gap did not exist on this side. This side was fine. So, we also saw that this, I'm going to call it a keeper, was in place here on the hinge. And on this side, the keeper was actually pushed way out of the way. These are glass doors. Glass doors are very big and very heavy. And when they open, they pull from the top. This case has got those keepers on there to keep the door from sliding away, and that keeper had gotten knocked off. So, we loosened up the screws back there. We pushed the hinge back. We put the keeper back on it. And we watched this temperature drop. Now, like I said, they just went into it. But this went from 15 degrees all the way down to 10 degrees in just a few minutes. And you can watch it drop right now as well. This wasn't a refrigeration problem. This was a cabinet problem.